Here is the Blinkit order I just made today. The craft kit is from the brand Skillmatics. The kit says foil fun magnets and the kit contains 20 colored foil sheets and 5 magnets in the shape of animals. It is a mess-free craft kit, so kids are not gonna mess up while doing this craft. And the back of the kit has some details of the products which are inside the kit. Now let's open the kit. I'm so excited to see all the magnets and foil we are gonna work with. Here is a manual, a thank you card from the company, those 20 foils, and these cute 5 magnets with these googly eyes which will go on the magnets obviously. So now let's quickly read the manual and let's get started with the craft. I'm so excited to use it. So the manual says to choose the magnet I want to work with. So here I'm choosing the lion one. So as per the manual, we have to remove this paper from the magnet and then put the foil on it of any color of our choice and then press it and peel it. Easy peasy. Okay, so these foil colors are so vibrant, so nice. So I'm just gonna choose the color I want to work with for my magnet. So now I'm gonna just take the paper out from the magnet. So I have fake nails on and I'm gonna use them to peel the paper. Okay, so now I'm gonna take the foil and keep it on the sticky portion of the magnet and then firmly press it, as you can see in the video, and then softly and smoothly remove the foil. Ta-da! So this looks so pretty and shiny. Guys, if I am loving it, trust me, kids are gonna love it. And I'm gonna already give 100 out of 100 to this kit. And just like that, I'm gonna complete the whole artwork. And at the end, I'm gonna give my final verdict on the magnet which we are making. But till now, again, I'm gonna say I have very high hopes because it's going great. It's going awesome. So let's get it completed. Ta-da! So just look at it. How cute it turned out to be. Okay, so this was my first attempt of making fun and foil magnets. So you can see there are some dark places which are left, but I guess that's the part of the craft, right? And maybe it can be my mistake too. So yeah, I'm gonna give you some shots of this lion on the fridge. Kids are gonna love this craft kit because me being an adult, I loved it, and it's very easy and mess free craft to do. So yeah, 100% marks for the craft kit.